Hi, I'm Mark Elliott, and I'm very excited to announce my new book, Collaboration Design, a step-by-step guide to collaboration. Uh, in these pages, you will find a wealth of knowledge and expertise around collaboration that we've consolidated from our last 10 years of work in some 500 projects in the public sector. This book was born out of my PhD 10, 15 years ago, looking at large-scale collaboration, especially those that were characteristic of Wikipedia, open source software projects, virtual worlds and communities, and trying to understand just how it was possible that so many people could come together and create such substantive value. It's just been a labor of love for many years, and substantively the last several years bringing it all together. So to see it, come into the world is very exciting. The book is laid out in two main sections. So part one really lays out the ideas behind collaboration, how we think about collaboration, the fundamental principles of collaboration that the method is built on, while part two is focused much more on a very practical method, providing 6 stages of collaboration that sets you up for scalability. So bringing in more people as you need, more depth and complexity as your collaboration expands, and also just maintaining collaboration through time, which can be one of the biggest challenges. There's a sample you can download, and of course we'd love you to buy a copy. You can also sign up to our newsletter and podcast series, where we'll be sharing all kinds of extra information and ideas around the method, as well as answering any questions you might have.